Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta. Welcome to the other side of a modest. If it is your first time clicking this channel or this link, thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to watch till the very end. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. Here we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and little bit of motivation. So guys, all my fans, thank you so much for keeping locked. I've not been consistent lately, but I'm fairly back. So guys, be sure to get content from the village. Today is village girl edition, and before that, let me show you my outfit of the day. That is how I'm looking like. I'm wearing a skimpy dress, and today's video is a very simple one. I'm going to undo my hair, and then we're going to make flaxseed seeds. Is it flaxseed or fenugreek? Whichever way you're going to say it. And I just want to say thank you so much for the support, guys. I think we're at 2.6 subscribers here, somehow like that. But thank you so much because the number is increasing. And yeah. To begin with, this is bullet hair tonic that we're going to use, and that is the result of the flax seeds. These are the flax seeds that we are going to use. This is how they use basic. They look like basically. I'm just using 1.5 spoons, not a teaspoon, but the other bigger spoon. So yeah, this is how it is looking like outside, and I like it. I like it, guys. The weather is friendly today. I hope it's not going to rain. I'm surprised that in the village it's also raining so much, so let us just go ahead with it and see. Please let us have a conversation. Have you ever used flax seeds or you've never used them? Let me just get to know it. And we're just basically going to look at the benefit of flax seeds at the end of this video, and I hope it's going to help you. As I do this content, I'd like just to say natural hair is hard work, it is determination. You have to try out what works for you. So I don't know, guys. This is and then I'm pouring a little bit of water and then adding in my seeds. We're cooking it traditionally, in a traditional way. This is village girl edition, and nothing too fancy yet. I don't know how it looks like when you cook with the gas, but I'll try it out very soon. After my water has started boiling, this is how it looks like. It just boils like you're cooking rice or anything. There's just a simple and normal one. The difference is after this one overboils, there is foam forming at the top. Yeah. So after it boiled, I had to transfer it into a bigger bowl like you've seen. Here, this is how it is looking like. I try to stir it out. It looks like gummy, sticky, jelly. I like it, guys. I like it. But I feel like I put an extra amount of water. But let us see, guys. It's somehow like aloe vera, but yeah. This is how it is looking like. I just had to put it there for like 2 hours and then it cool down. Here I'm saving it out just to get the juice. As you can see, it looks sticky mucus like, and we're going to use it that way. So the color basically it is cream like. This is at the top of the sieve. It is cream like, no difference. It feels like it is just water because I did not add anything else. And yeah, this is our flaxseed water. So coming outside, I like this tree. I like this tree at home. I like it. It's like this tree growing up. It was my favorite and it is still my favorite. I don't know, guys. I'm a fan of nature. This is day 2. This is how we are here. Village girl edition. So I did not make it to film yesterday. I just undid my hair and I was very tired. My body still adjusting. Even I've contracted flu. It's too bad, but I'm getting there. Herbs are going to work, so I just wanted to wash my hair using vinegar. And then this video is all about flaxseed, so we'll show you. This is before, and you are going to see after. Yeah. Personally, I like to shoot videos for myself. Like, I don't want anyone to help me, because there was a time I told someone to hold me a camera and the content was not up to my standard. So here I'm just mixing vinegar with water, and then I add a little bit of salt, because salt is a cleanser. And yeah, basically flaxseed is going to be used today as a leave-in conditioner, because I'll be twisting. I'm looking forward to wear an afro, because tomorrow is Sunday. And that is it, guys. So quickly, let us look at the benefits of flaxseed. Number one, it is compounded of omega fatty acids, which is essential for hair growth. If you know that omega is very essential, it is also found in eating fish and other things. So having it on your hair is also adding it and making your hair look healthy. That is flaxseed's choice. And also, I've also noticed that it is good and it helps to lower down diabetes. It also helps health-wise. So with these seeds, you can also sprinkle like 1 or 2 in your food while cooking, because it helps. You can also cook it and you can drink it. It is also good to your health. Number 2 benefit of using flax seeds for your hair is that it adds shine. It's believed to be one of the components that can make your hair look darker and shine out louder. So I'm encouraging you to try it out in your hair. So here today I'm just doing cocoa washing, because it was recently and I had washed my hair. So there's nothing too intense that I'm doing, just cocoa washing, because the braiding that I've just undone today, it has not even finished a week. So I plaited my hair myself, and it was just for a season. Okay, the third benefit of flax seeds is that it minimizes breakage. If you're watching this and your hair is breaking, then try flax seeds gel as a leave-in conditioner, and you're going to thank me later. So guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. You're going to encourage me to put out more content when you like this video, because it's going to reach out to more people. And thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. For the new subscribers, asante sana. So guys, this is how it is looking like. And like you've seen, the vinegar has tried to make my hair define itself. So vinegar is kind of itchy like, and this type of vinegar that I've used is white vinegar, and it is from the brand Clouds. So you can try it out, because I'm having scalp dandruff issues. I try to use Clouds and I'm good to go. Drying out our hair like usual, we use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt. This is exactly what I'm doing. The weather is mounting, guys. The weather is changing. It wants to rain, but we have to shoot anyways, because tomorrow we need to look good. If you've got any questions, you can email or message me on Facebook or Instagram at sheisjacinta. Coming up here, the oil that we're going to use is from Ballet brand hair tonic. This is a hair oil that is composed of tea tree oil and almond oil, vitamin A and E. I didn't actually went to the store to buy this type of oil. I literally wanted tea tree oil, but I did not get it, though I had to land on Ballet. But it is a nice oil, so watery like, but it is a good also for so good, very important for your scalp. I can encourage you to buy that all. So on the other hand of the bottle, like you've seen, is my flaxseed gel. You can see we're going to use it to detangle our hair, and we twist it like you're seeing in the video above. So it is that simple. I just want to show you the consistency. I don't like it. It is not so much sticky like I wanted, but next time I'm going to make use many seeds and a little water. So guys, these seeds I got them at the store. It was just a random store in town, so I don't know where you are. If you're in Nairobi, you can get it at Gikomba Market or any store, maybe grocery store. You can ask them, not a grocery, apportionment store, whichever way you can do. Just try your luck. I don't know if they're in the supermarket, but you can just try maybe Indian shops. Hey, you cannot miss these ones. So try your luck and find them. Okay, here we're just twisting, because this is what I'm going to do. I just moisturize with my oil and then I twist out. I just want it to be loose because I don't want my hair to break out, guys. So this is the video of today. What do you think about this video? Give me your views and comments and let me hear from you guys. So if you're a Christian lady 18 to 40 years, I'm welcoming you to Ladies of Modesty Ministries. Please check the description box and join us. Our mission is to inspire leaders for further God-given callings in ministry. And with that said and done, if you're watching this and you're not saved, please get saved. And it is for your own benefit. If you don't know your purpose, find it and chase it like nobody's business. Okay, guys, this section is done and this is how we are looking like. I like how the twists are looking like, very simple. The weather is not friendly and I'm shooting, guys, so I just hate to do it quickly. We finished and ended up there. So on top I had just to spray. Actually, guys, this flaxseed does not have any smell, and so this is Sunday. You girl is going to church. That is the look. I just rocked my afro and that is me. What do you think about this video? With my handbag, let's go to church and worship God. See you in the next one. Obrigada. Thank you so much for watching and stay expectant. God loves you. Bye.